Hi, this is Alan E. Kaye. I'm an immigration lawyer with over 35 years' experience. We'd like to welcome you to our program, Immigration and You. Hi, my name is Alan E. Kaye. I'm an immigration lawyer with over 35 years of experience. The program is called Immigration and You. On today's program, we're going to be discussing something called prosecutorial discretion. Now, there's a lot of misinformation about this, and many people think there's a new immigration law, there's a new amnesty. No, it's just a policy. On August 18th, the Obama administration and the Department of Homeland Security announced the establishment of a high-level joint Department of Homeland Security and Department of Justice working group, which would be charged to make sure that their resources are focused on the highest immigration enforcement priorities, namely national security, public safety, border security, and the integrity of our immigration system. The working group will conduct a case-by-case review of the approximately 300,000 cases currently pending before the immigration courts, the Board of Immigration Appeals, and the federal courts of appeals. Those removal cases that are identified as low priority will be administratively closed, and the respondents will be eligible to apply for work authorization from USCIS. So they're going to be reviewing each case on a case-by-case basis to determine which are low priority cases, and those that are already in the system, that are in before immigration courts, before the Board of Immigration Appeals, before the federal courts, will be administratively closed. They also want to make sure that new cases will not enter the system if they meet the definition of low priority. Now, those people who are deemed to be low priority and their cases are administratively closed will be eligible to receive working permits. So this is all kind of relatively new. It's still being worked out. What are low priority cases? They would include veterans, long-term permanent residents, minors, the elderly, individuals who've been present since childhood, individuals with serious disabilities or health issues, women who are nursing or pregnant, and victims of domestic violence or other serious crimes. What about people with criminal convictions? It is even possible that people with criminal convictions might be eligible to have their cases administratively closed. So it's really important that you seek legal advice on this, and it's not an amnesty. It's a new policy. It's a good policy because the government realizes that if they were to push all of these 300,000 cases through deportation, through the Board of Immigration Appeals and the federal courts of appeals, it would take many, many years. They would never be able to finish. So they want to weed out what they call the low priority cases. And if your case is considered low priority, you will be eligible for a working card. They're still determining, how this is all going to work, so it's all relatively new, but it's known as prosecutorial discretion, and the Department of Homeland Security will be reviewing all these 300,000 cases to see which are low priority and which will then get prosecutorial discretion and have their cases administratively closed and be eligible for a working permit. For more information about this, contact me at the address shown below on the screen. And I can send you more information about this if you'd like also. Thank you for listening.